Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's related to the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the MI 11X versus Realme X1 Max device. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers. The reason why I'm doing this kind of video is because the MI 11X I did receive the recent software update, and after the software update I did feel the RAM management got slightly improved when compared with the previous results. But let's compare between both phones, Realme X1 Max and the MI 11X device. What is the result? Which phone has got what type of speed and what type of RAM management? So same application which I'm trying to use right now, same games only, which are completely offline games during this process of demonstration. And I'm trying to use the 8GB plus 5GB RAM and use the 8GB variant, as you can see exactly. So now let's see how much difference can it be there between this MI 11X and the Realme X1 Max in terms of the speed test and in terms of the RAM management. So that's what I'm going to exactly compare between both phones. And both are in the airplane mode completely. Let's start with the first game, which is a Subway Surf. Let's see Subway Surf which phone can actually open. Snapdragon 870 versus Dimensity 1200 in the Realme X1 Max device. So let's open the Candy Crush game. Let's see what happens with the Candy Crush. Not bad. And Gateway 2, let's see. This game also first opened in the MI 11X device and then it opened in the Realme X1 Max device, as you can see friends clearly. And next is the Temple Run. Let's see what happens with the Temple Run. So slightly the MI 11X was able to open faster in terms of the games when compared with the Realme X1 Max. But let's see what happens with the next few games. So Temple Run was kind of Realme X1 Max, just a little bit faster. Let's see this Smash It game. So these are very small games only. I need to do with the intense testing with the heavy games. So I'll try to focus in the heavy games as well. I think the game got closed when I try to swipe from the left side. So yeah, I'll try to go from the in this way. Now the Crossy Roads. Let's see what happens with the Crossy Roads. So I think the Snapdragon 870 slightly opened faster, as you can see it's not bad. So now the Snapdragon 870 was able to open slightly faster than the Realme X1 Max, as you can see friends clearly what happens. And next is Hill Climb Racing. I need to do definitely intense kind of testing on this MI 11X device with the recent update, how it's behaving in terms of the RAM management. So usually what happens is that sometimes with the MI UI, the performance may got affected. So there is another thing which I need to test, performance and the battery and the RAM management. These are the things which I need to definitely focus after the recent update. In case if you did not receive the update, don't worry, you will receive the update very soon. So maybe it takes some time for you to get the update. And right now most of the games did open faster in the MI 11X device, most of the games. So right now 10 games are completely open in both phones. Let me try to show you from the multitasking. As you can see, completely 10 games are open. Now we try to see the RAM management, how it's displaying. So 2.23 GB is available, and in the MI 11X device 3.3 GB is available, as you can see friends. So after the recent update, then the RAM management was displaying accurately in the multitasking. So before it used to display some kind of 4.9 GB, 5.5 GB available even after opening all the games, if you remember my videos. But right now I think it was able to display slightly close to the accurate maybe, but I need to do in-depth testing as well. These are the 10 games which I did open in both phones, as you can see friends. Now let me try to go back to the main page. Now let's start from the back side of the games. Let's see how many games will be open in the both phones. So it should not take much time because most of the phones they can actually store 5 games. So 5 games is like minimum standard in most of the phones. So till here it was completely fine. And next is a Smash It. Smash It also fine, I think in the MI 11X device, but not in the Realme X1 Max. But let's see what happens with the Temple Run. So Temple Run I'll try to open from the multitasking in this way, so you'll be able to see exactly. As you can see friends, the Temple Run you can see exactly in the background, Realme X1 Max and the MI 11X device 1, 2, 3. As you can see, the Temple Run did not open in the Realme X1 Max. And next game is Gateway 2. So slightly the RAM management I did feel it got got better little bit, not much, just a little bit. As you can see, the MI 11X was able to open. So before the update it was unable to open I think more than maybe 7 games or 8 games I think so, but now it was able to do 10 out of 10. So I need to increase the dose in the MI Linux device in our next upcoming videos. So Candy Crush, as you can see, Candy Crush exactly stayed as it is. Final game, which is a Subway Surf. Subway Surf also stayed exactly as it is. As you can see, friends, exact. No problem. Now let me try to come back. So now is the final task, which is come from the last game. So the MI Linux was able to keep most of the games in the background, as you can see, friends, in the MI Linux device. So these are the results, which is after the recent software update in the MI Linux device, but I need to do in-depth testing with the battery and even the performance levels as well. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye.